Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to do a quick video on how I wash my hair using As I Am Long and Luxe line. I'm specifically using this product because this is the product that I've been using the most this past month. But as you can see, I'm just taking my hair and I'm getting it wet under the water, and I'm separating it and finger detangling it while it's in the water. Doing it this way for me is the best way that I can eliminate my hair getting pulled out during the entire washing phase. So I'm just gonna do that to each section of my hair. Like I said, I don't really have a rhyme or reason, like I don't part my hair a certain way or anything. I just wet it, detangle it, and just take my time with it so I don't pull out excess amount of hair. And now that part's over, it's time to actually shampoo. So I'm gonna grab the Long and Luxe shampoo. And I use a lot. Like I probably use more than I probably should, but like I said, I love this product and I love how it does my hair. So I'm gonna start with the front and I'm gonna concentrate mainly on the roots and also massaging my edges, just to make sure I get my hair as clean as I possibly can get it and make sure that every inch of my scalp is filled with the shampoo. And once I'm done with that, just move on to the rest of my hair. As you could probably tell, I may use more product than I need and probably more than I should, but I don't mind using a lot of a product. I really don't. As long as I feel like my hair is getting as clean as possible, I'll use the whole bottle in one wash. But as you can probably see, I'm also going over the sections multiple times. As I'm doing this, as I'm washing my hair, I'm also, again, finger detangling. So washing it out, I'm using rather cool water. It's a little bit more cold than warm. And I just do this just because my hair doesn't really do well with hot water. And this is the first time I actually seen my hair soaking wet without it starting to frizz up. So I'm like, yes, honey, look at that hair time. Yes, you better do it, girl. I'm done washing out all of the shampoo, you can see how much breakage and shedding that I've had during this entire process, which isn't a lot at all. At one point, I used to have a whole handful of hair every time I washed my hair. With the conditioner, I did the same exact thing. You know, I put a healthy amount of conditioner and I start with my roots and just work it all the way in with every strand of my hair, top to bottom. And as you can see, I'm also finger detangling at the same time.
I put